students, welcome to the English class. Yesterday we started chapter number 5 of book The First Flight. The name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses 1, written by Althusser Astor. And yesterday we discussed about the authors and brief introduction of the chapter. Now today we will see hard words and about the characters and some key points of the chapter. Students, as 100 dresses. This chapter is completely about the dresses, about what description has given, and now whose dresses are these. As I told you yesterday, whose dresses are these and what is the importance of these dresses here, which kind of dresses are these. We will find out all these points during explanation. Now first of all, let's have a look on the hard words. Rough means indisciplined. On the contrary means as against. Rarely means seldom. Twisted means moved. Faded means dim colored. Now surrounded means encircled. Hopscotch. Hopscotch is the name of a game. And nudge means a gentle push. Now let's see main characters of the chapter. First main character of the story is Wanda Petronsky. Then who was a Polish girl? Polish means actually some people who left their countries, who migrated from different countries and settled in America. Those people were called Polish. Actually Wanda Petronsky's parents also migrated from Poland and they were settled in America. So that's why she was called a Polish girl. Now Peggy. Peggy was a pretty girl. She was classmate of Wanda and she always find a chance to make fun of Wanda because as Wanda was belonged to poor class family, but she was having a habit of boasting. As she always boasted, then she is having 100 dresses. Even she was coming in the same colored dress. Daily she was coming in navy blue colored dress. Still she was saying that she was having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. So Peggy always made fun of her by asking about the dresses. Now Maddie. Maddie was a friend of Peggy. She was also classmate of Wanda Petronsky. She belonged to poor family. Even she never tried to make fun of Wanda, but still always she gave company to Peggy. That's why we can say that here she was also giving contribution for making fun of Wanda by Peggy. Now Miss Mason. Miss Mason was Wanda's class teacher who was very helpful and supportive class teacher who always helped them, motivated them in each and every case. Now students, we are going to start story, explanation of the story. Now here we will discuss some points today. Starting with the chapter, as first point is there Wanda Petronsky and her classmates. As we discussed already, then Wanda Petronsky, who is the central figure of this story, the 100 dresses. As this story is based on the true experiences of the author Althusser Astor. So as Wanda Petronsky was a girl who was teased by her classmates and she was belonged to a poor family, and now she always became the source of fun of her friends, of her classmates because of her funny Polish name as Wanda. Then they made fun of her name, that as she was having a funny name. So and she always came to school in a blue dress. So same color dress she was wearing daily. This was also a point to make fun of her. As now, so the classmates of Wanda Petronsky, they always used these points about her name, about her dress. So they made fun by calling or by repeating these topics again and again. They always find a chance. They always get a chance. Whenever they get a chance, they started making fun of her, and in which the main leading role was there of Peggy. Peggy was leading, and then other classmates also contributed this fun and enjoyment. Now, what happened one day? It was Monday, and Wanda was absent on that day. Even this making fun and enjoyment, this schedule was going on. As Wanda was a very calm and patient girl who was not giving any response. Even when classmates asked her, then here how many dresses do you have? She said in a very calm manner, I am having 100 dresses. So she never replied in a harsh manner, and she never responded in a rude way. Even she knew this. Here these classmates were asking this to make fun of her, but she never spoke in a harsh manner. She gave reply always in a very calm and very polite manner. So as on that day, on day of Monday, then Wanda was absent. But nobody noticed her absence. Why? Because she was not having so many friends in her class. She was a very shy girl of her class, and she was having a quiet nature. She always preferred to sit in the corner of the class. She came from Boggins Heights. Actually, Boggins Heights was the location of her house. Then on the top of the hill, Boggins Heights. She came from Boggins Heights, and actually in this Boggins Heights mostly poor people lived. So she was also having house there. She came from Boggins Heights, and her parents were Polish who left Poland to settle down in America. And as she came daily from Boggins Heights to attend this school, and she was not having many friends, and she always used to sit in the corner of the class, and she never talked and she never contributed, and she never attended gossiping done by other students. So on Monday when she was absent, nobody noticed, because as she was not having many friends, if she would have many friends, naturally her friends noticed that she was absent, and they asked the reason of her absence. But here nobody was paying special attention then why she was absent, or Wanda Petransky was absent on that day. Next point, thinking of classmates about Wanda, as Wanda's classmates thought of her only when they came out of the class and waited to tease her, but she was absent. Wanda did not come to school. So, as she did not come on Monday, it was not noticed by anybody. Actually, they did not notice her presence or absence in the class. Her classmates came to know that she was absent or not only during departure time, because or in the starting of the school. During starting or departure time, they waited Wanda, not for showing affections, even for teasing her, even for making fun of her. So when it was the time of end of the school, they were waiting for her to make fun of her. Only then they came to know then Wanda was absent on that day. Otherwise, just for caring and just being affectionate, nobody cared for the whole day that Wanda was absent on that day and she was not in the class. Now, as on Monday she was absent, and same thing on Tuesday she was also absent again. Now, next point, Peggy and Mary. Now, what was the reaction of Maggie and Perry on this? Peggy and Mary were close friends, as Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was very pretty and intelligent. And Mary, who was her friend, who was friend of Peggy, she was a poor girl. They always teased Wanda. They stayed after the school to mock Wanda, but they noticed that she was absent on Monday and Tuesday. That's why they did not get a prey to make fun of Wanda Petransky. So here even both of them, who Peggy and Mary. Both were very good friends, as Peggy was belonged to a rich class and she was pretty and beautiful girl and she was very intelligent. She was popular girl of the school. But Mary, even Mary was belonged to the poor class, but both of them were having good bonding, good friendship. Both of them contributed. Even as I told you earlier, that Mary was not willing to make fun of Wanda, but she always gave company to Peggy, so that's why she was having the same contribution to make fun and mock of Wanda. So here, both of them were not having any affections with Wanda, but as earlier they did not noticed that Wanda was absent, but as after school they did not meet with Wanda, so they could not make fun of her. So they came to know that Wanda was continuously absent. Next point, girls made fun of Wanda. Now, as after being teased by other girls, it means now as most of the girls, most of the classmates of Wanda made fun of her. So, and they were led by Peggy. So Peggy and Mary, they started making fun of her, and later on it was continued by other girls of the classmates of Wanda Petransky. So this schedule, it means this schedule which was started, the schedule of making fun of Wanda Petransky, which was started by Peggy and that was continued by other girls. This schedule was going on continuously daily. But now here she was absent. So because of her absence, what happened? So that thing we will come to know in the next part, in next class. Till then, take care of your good self. Thank you.